Hey everybody, I'm sure for the last few days you've been hearing some rumblings about big news coming up from Tremec. And it is big news because they're coming out with a new 5-speed transmission called the TKX. Now I know a lot of you guys are probably thinking, well, don't they already have the TKO? Who needs the TKX? You do if you're building custom cars or trucks, because this is the first transmission that Tremec has designed for the aftermarket, not the OEMs. So this is for us, and it is a completely different transmission than the TKO. Let's take a look. First of all, the case is completely different, with the top loading panel gone and everything packed in a closed case. This narrows the transmission across the top and makes it shorter as well. The rounded case continues on the bottom, allowing more space for cross members and exhaust systems to clear. The streamlining continues in the completely redesigned, sleeker tail housing and a much smaller, quicker shifter that, combined with the triple cone synchros inside, allows the TKX to shift fast and smooth like a Magnum 6-speed. It also has multiple shift locations, will work with mechanical or electric speedometers, and will handle 8,000 RPM shifts and 600 foot-pounds of torque. So it will handle your hot rod and muscle car engines. The best part is the smaller size means this will fit in most muscle car or hot rod projects with no modifications to the floor, and that is huge. And of course, American Powertrain already has a ton of cross members and clutches and throwout bearings and bell housings and hardware to fit this in virtually any vehicle. Finally, there is a 5-speed, performance 5-speed built for the hot rodders and the aftermarket, the TKX.